Let me ask you something. What have you planned for this 2024? So I'm going to use habanero pepper and bell pepper for my vegetable. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you're all doing fine. Happy New Year once again to you all. And for my new subscribers, thanks for supporting your baby girl. Thanks for coming to the best of family. Yeah, it's New Year once again. Yeah, New Year, new system. That is the national anthem for all New Year. But we have been saying New Year, new system. Still, we didn't change our system. Still, we are still doing what we did last year. Let me ask you something. What have you planned for this 2024? Did you even have any plan at all? Are you trying to plan on doing something or going into one business or going into something and you are being afraid or you can't even face it or you don't know how you can write down your goal? Start it right now. Start your plan right now because time waits for nobody. There's this thing that says fail to plan is planning to fail. If you don't plan your goal, if you don't plan everything you're about to do in this new year, how are you going to achieve anything? You just be like the last year gone and this year is crawling slowly. Before you know it, we are in February, right? I'm using this opportunity to tell everyone that's watching me now that try to plan your goals so that you don't fail. Yeah, so let's get started. I'm going to go on and cook my vegetable soup. My signature vegetable soup. Yeah, so let's go. I have my vegetable here, so I'm going to go on and cut it. Alright, so I'm going to go on and cut this vegetable. Oh my gosh, I think it's still freeze. And I'm using this opportunity to say thanks to you all. If not for you guys that are backing me up, I would have not continued doing this. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you all. Thanks to you all once again. Yeah. I think I'm going to have water because it's still freezing. Anytime I'm cooking, I always feel like singing because I love singing or dancing while cooking. But if I say start singing, YouTube, it is well, though. You guys should you guys should stop shit bell. Make now they stop shit bell. I will do the knock person and this thing straight. And so I'm going to use habanero pepper and bell pepper for my vegetable. Alright guys, I have to go and change because it's a little bit cold. Yeah, I'm trying to get my pepper ready. So this is my locust bean. I'm going to go on and fry it now with I need onions. I'm using small onion. Yeah, because I've blended 2 onions already. So I'm using onion. So this is my palm oil. I just made from microwave. I'm going to go on and add like palm oil. It's already melt. So I'll go on and do the same thing here. I think I'll show you guys what I'm cooking, right? So this is my palm oil. This is my. So I've added my palm oil in the pot. I'm going to go on and have my onions. I'm going to be very careful here because this knife is so sharp. I'm going to make my vegetable stew here and my normal stew here also. Yeah. So I'm going to use these tomatoes for my meat stew. Yeah. because I'll prepare the vegetables separately and the soup separately. I'll make a video about this. If you really want to learn how to make this soup, I'll try to find the link and put in the description. Yeah, I'll make a video about this. Alright. And this is the vegetable. The vegetable that are full here. You can see, so I'm going to drop it here. I'm going to wash this plate now. It's okay. So I'm going to add these three stars to the soup I'm cooking at the back. Let me try to pack this and make the hen go into food. So this is my salt. I'm going to add my salt. Okay. And okay. So this has to be here, and this has to be here. Then later. So these are vegetable soup. Alright fam, so I'm about to finish cooking. I have this princess here with me. Ooh. Hey, hey, smile for mama, smile for mama. So she's here with me. I have to put her in my bag because she's disturbing me. Okay, okay, I should move my hair. See this girl, she's moving my hair. Are you moving my hair? Are you moving my hair? Hey, hey, what's it? What do you want? Are you moving my hair? So within some minutes I'm going to done cooking. I'm just waiting for all this to, for all the ingredients to enter inside. Yeah, and let's I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Stay well, stay cool, and bye for now. Bye. Bye.